At the Brussels Motor Show this year, Renault unveiled the updated Twingo E-Tech electric concept, offering a glimpse into the future of affordable electric vehicles. With a production model set to arrive next year, this new version of the Twingo promises to stay true to its roots while bringing in exciting updates. The price tag? A highly anticipated $20,000, making it one of the most affordable EVs on the market when it debuts. This updated concept is not just a simple refresh, it reflects Renault's continued efforts to make electric cars accessible without compromising on design or functionality. Building on last year's concept, the new Twingo features some notable exterior updates that give it a modern and sporty appeal. One of the most striking elements is the 3D printed bumpers, complete with a honeycomb pattern that's not only stylish but functional. These bumpers are paired with new air intakes that have a more squared-off design, providing a fresh look for the compact city car. The rear of the car has also received a facelift, with revamped fender flares and new taillights that enhance its overall aesthetic. However, it's not just the exterior that's been upgraded. The interior offers a sleek and minimalistic layout that emphasizes both space and practicality. Drivers will be pleased to find a 7-inch digital instrument cluster right in front of them, offering all the vital information in a clear, easy-to-read format. To the right, a floating 10.1-inch infotainment screen takes center stage, providing intuitive controls for media and navigation. Renault's design team has focused on creating a cabin that is as functional as it is stylish. The new Twingo concept features dedicated climate controls that sit neatly within the dashboard, with body color trim adding a touch of personality to the cabin. One of the standout features is the unique cork floor, which gives the interior a premium feel while being eco-friendly. There are also multiple storage compartments scattered throughout the cabin to ensure that passengers have space for all their essentials. Renault has clearly drawn inspiration from the original Twingo when designing the new model's interior. The upholstery boasts a playful splash pattern, evoking the bold and youthful spirit of the first-generation Twingo. As for seating, the Twingo is designed with flexibility in mind. The rear bench is split-folding and slides to maximize either legroom or cargo space, depending on the passenger and storage needs. Another fun feature is the panoramic glass roof, which lets in plenty of natural light and gives the car a spacious feel. Renault has also incorporated a seatback adjustment knob that is inspired by skateboard wheels, a quirky and functional design element that ties in with the car's overall playful character. And if you're looking for even more convenience, the concept includes a magnetic area on the back of the front headrest, allowing rear passengers to mount their phones for easy viewing during the ride. While the updated Twingo E-Tech concept hints at what the future holds, Renault has yet to release full details about the car's performance and exact specifications. However, the company has promised that the production model, which will arrive in 2026, will maintain its commitment to offering a fun, efficient, and affordable electric vehicle. At its projected price point of $20,000, the Renault Twingo is poised to become a popular choice for urban dwellers looking for a compact, eco-friendly car that doesn't break the bank. As electric vehicles become more mainstream, the Twingo E-Tech offers an exciting preview of how affordable and stylish EVs can be in the near future.